Hello and welcome to the Crypto Law Weekly. This week, a headline had Bitcoiners spitting out their coffee. Google banned non-custodial wallets from the Play Store. Google did walk it back within just a few hours, but for a while it felt like a big tech strike on self-sovereignty. Coming right after the Monero 51% attack, Roman Storm's conviction saying Tornado Cash was unlicensed money transmission, and the Samurai case, it felt like the dragnet around permissionless finance was tightening. There's a cultural tug of war going on right now as banks and Wall Street are cheering on regulation as the ETF money is piling in, but Bitcoin's real gift is its permissionless access with no gatekeepers. The moral of the story is we should all be running our own nodes, and then the Google Play Store wouldn't matter.
Some big news out of the White House this week. Hines, Trump's top crypto advisor, has resigned after just 8 months as head of the Council of Advisors on Digital Assets. Hines, who championed the Genius Act for stablecoin regulation and pushed for a national Bitcoin strategic reserve, is returning to the private sector. He called his tenure the honor of a lifetime and credited his work with AI and crypto czar David Sachs for positioning America as a global crypto leader. Many people have speculated that Hines is positioning himself to make the most out of the upcoming crypto bull market. Patrick Witt is set to take over Hines' position at the White House, where questions still linger about the progress being made on the National Strategic Bitcoin Reserve. Be sure to follow Hotter Law to stay on top of what's next for U.S. crypto policy.
The Genius Act just became law on July 18th, and it's Washington's first full framework for stablecoins. They require federal oversight and they have to be backed one-to-one with dollars or other short-term low-risk assets. New developments this week are showing that the fine print could reshape markets in ways that no one saw coming. First, the bankruptcy twist. Turns out stablecoin holders will get priority in liquidation over even taxes, wages, and legal claims. And that means if an issuer fails, there's not going to be any kind of restructuring. It's just going to go straight to liquidation. Second, lobbyists for the banks are pushing Congress to close what they call an interest loophole. Stablecoin issuers can't pay interest directly, but affiliate platforms potentially can, and this would pull trillions out of the banking system. And third, Citigroup is eyeing becoming the custody solution for the treasuries that are backing the stablecoins and setting up some kind of payment system on those rails. Supporters say this is great clarity to have these kind of regulations, but critics are saying that this is the path to a totally KYC'd, permissioned, technocratic economy where the banks and the megacorps are going to control everything. As for the price, it's sitting at $117,000 today. I'm filming this on Thursday, and it's been here for basically a month. Every week it's around $117,000, but I think a breakout is brewing. The ETFs added 7,000 Bitcoin this week, and the stock to flow number went up by 27,000, which is a good leading indicator saying it should have a reversion to the mean. Stock to flow measures the scarcity of an asset, so how many years of production, flow, it would take to match the existing supply, the stock. And with a higher ratio, it looks like it's more scarce and should be more valuable. But Michael Saylor's strategy stock dropped by $33 this week, and that's typically been a good leading indicator too. It dropped to $3.69 a share, so we'll see. I'm going to put more weight in the stock to flow model, and let's see what happens next week. What do you think? 121,000 this time next week? Let us know in the comments. Make sure to follow me and let us know what you think the price will be. Have a great week. Thank you.
But having fun, words.
Satasha Naka, mommy vibing in the chat.
Yes.
Beams in the mix, let me hit that.
Yes.
Hitting Cole's whisper, water through a song. Free Ross, she said, and fuck Craig wrong.